Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. It's time for another proper tour with your host, America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney. And today, y'all, we are in Colleyville, Texas at 5625 Winnie Drive. That is Winnie Drive in Colleyville, Texas, zip code 76034. And I want to give a special thanks for Miss Sophie Diaz with Sophie Diaz Real Estate, the listing agent, for letting us in this awesome property today. And let's get started. So this home, contemporary home, was built by Brian Michael Distinctive Homes, and he is an award-winning builder here in DFW and part of the 2024 Dream Home Tour. This neighborhood is gated and on a little bit more than half an acre. And we'll get into the specs right now. This is listed at $3,124,500. So that's 3.124500. And it's sitting at 4 beds, 5 baths. So that's 4 full baths, 1 half bath. 5,000 square feet right on the dot. It is 2024 new construction. And a 3-car garage. And this does have an HOA since it's gated, and it's $1,600 semi-annual. And your school district is going to be Grapevine Colleyville ISD, Colleyville Elementary, Colleyville Middle, and Grapevine High School. And as you saw, it does have a pool and spa. And this is an open floor plan. Lots of natural lighting. Expansive floor to ceiling windows. Sliding doors. Big, huge windows, as you've seen. Bay windows. Floating staircase. Sleek steel cable design. Super spacious island, breakfast bar. Soft close cabinetry. 3 temperature wine fridge. Butler's pantry, built-in microwave and oven. And a large primary office. And this home is super energy efficient. Features foam encapsulation, ensuring comfort and sustainability. And this is about, I'd say about 35 minutes to Dallas. So not too far at all. And if you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button to join the America's Realtor YouTube family. And as always, if you're interested in moving to the DFW Metroplex, please visit my website at www.alexpmaloney.com or fill out an inquiry form in the description below. And I will get back to you as soon as I can. And now I'm going to let y'all sit back, relax, kick those feet up, and enjoy the rest of this luxury property tour. And I'll see y'all on the next one.
Later on in the night, when the crowds have gone, we could talk under moonlight till dawn. We could stay to watch the sunrise, cancel all our plans. We don't need a reason why we just can't. I wish I could stop time and stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Got myself free falling deep into your eyes. You came to me without warning, but I knew why. I wish I could stop time and stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Stay in this moment,